Let's discuss about the generics in C Sharp. Generics was introduced in C Sharp version 2.0. Generic was introduced in C Sharp version 2.0. So this is the first version of second version of C Sharp where this generics got introduced. So now what we have seen yesterday, the collection. In that collections, we have two types. One is non-generics as well as generics. So now we'll see what is generics, what is the purpose of generics in C Sharp. Generics are, in general, means when you want to define some type. Okay, generic refers to not limited to specific data type. It's not limited to specific data type, and generics represent by like this. Generics will represent by this symbol. So when we use for generics, like when you need to create a generic type. What is this generic type means? Which can allow any types. Means it's easier to write code once and reuse with multiple types. That is the purpose of generic type. Now, how to create generics? Now, we go to application. So now, let me create it. Example for generics. So if you want to create a generic class, this is how we will create a generic class. Now this is a generic class. What is the symbol T? T for generic. If I want to create a property within this, okay, private T. So T is the type here, okay. My property. So this is the property. So now for property, there is a public access method T type and property. So for this, we need to write the getters and setters. Get return my property, set my property equals to value. So if you want, you can write, since it is a private, this dot property, this dot property, like this. This is accessible with return set. Now I will be having one main class. This main class, I will create example for each generic class. Object we have to create. Now you will be passing the type here. For example, string I will pass generic example equals to new generic example. Now, what is the property type? You can specify generic example dot property equals now it is a string. Similarly, I want different type. Okay. Example from we take a date time. Example below. Now you need to do the date and time like this. Now, since it was a generic class, so it can't be an increment of the program. So when we write in main method, put a to execute. Understood, guys? This is how we'll create a generic class and generic property. Any doubts here?